It's time for the midweek analysis, and I'm really sorry guys about the delay, but I just really had to be sure of the market's direction because usually I post this video Wednesday morning, but I had to delay it until afternoon. Anyway, let's now continue analyzing the market from the last weekly analysis video, and let's see now what are the opportunities that are waiting for us in the upcoming days of this week. And as usual, we will start with the Euro USD. So as you can see, this is my signal for the EURUSD, and as you can see, it has been activated and running so far in almost 60 pips of profit. It was perfect and fantastic signal, and again, I wish you guys have taken this signal and enjoying the profits with the Xtreme trader team. But however, what's next with the EURUSD? In my opinion, the bear is going to continue the fall, and our take profit level most likely will be hit, actually making 117 pips of profit. But now, what's next exactly? Now, it's important to remember that right now the pair is actually facing right here a support zone at 1.0790, and that's of course a high demand level. So therefore, we have to be careful that the market might actually right now make a pullback at any moment, and from that level we can actually start selling again after the market make a retest of a certain level. So a pullback is expected to be happening exactly right here at this zone. So what's next? Actually, if we look carefully right now, we do have right here a perfect level of a resistance trend line. Check this out right here. Exactly, we can notice that the market of course has created here the highest level of a resistance trend line. As you can see, one fake breakout, let me just show it to you, one real attempt of a resistance trend line, a fake breakout, and then again the same level of a real resistance trend line has been respected, and again another fake breakout. So now right now I'm expecting actually from the market to make a pullback and retest the same level of a resistance trend line, and afterward the pair will continue the fall toward our take profit level. So that means we have to use the Fibonacci retracement right now to determine where exactly we can sell the EURUSD. Again, check this out. 38.2 Fibonacci retracement is pointing exactly on the same level I'm talking about. Right here, of course, the market will most likely retest the broken support right here at 1.08160 and create here a new resistance trend line. That will be actually the best level to start selling the EURUSD again toward the take profit level. So therefore, for the new signal, let me just lower the entry to be just right there, to be actually precise, right there. And the safe zone is going to be just right there. I'm just doing it right in front of you, for you, my friends. Sorry about that. The new sell is going to be at 1.081. So by that, we can actually expect approximately profit of 74 pips and a safe zone ranging for 37 pips only. Let's now move to the Pound USD. Alright, so Pound USD has went indeed in the right direction, but unfortunately hasn't been triggered. So now what's next with this pair? First of all, we have to get rid of the old signal, and let's continue analyzing the Pound USD. Now, based on the daily chart, we can see right now a major rejection from the breakout of that real level of a resistance trend line, as we can see right here. And if we look carefully right now, we do have right here a channel has been created. So let's focus on this channel. Let me just to make it clear for you, my friends. Exactly. So right there, of course, lies the channel. That is the channel that the market right now is actually ranging inside. And most likely right now, the Pound USD is going to continue ranging inside of this channel till it hit the same support trend line, as you can see. So therefore, Pound USD is most likely going to be bearish. Another reason, of course, is this broken level of a support trend line, as we can see. If we delete this one, now we can see it clearly that we had right here, of course, a channel which has been, a triangle which has been broken out from, and of course here a support trend line. And again, the pair has actually respected this level, actually retested that level 2 times already. And as you can see, the major failure in the attempt of the bullish breakout from that level of a support trend line. So therefore, Pound USD is going to be bearish for the upcoming days of this week. Moving now to the 4-hour time frame to find our perfect entry. Again, I want to use the Fibonacci retracement to find the safest and best entries. And as you can see, it is really pointing right here at this level of a resistance at 38.2, which was in the past, of course, a broken level of a support. And right now, it's actually a real level of a resistance. I would highly recommend to sell the Pound USD after it make another pullback for about 18 pips. But however, even though the Fibonacci is telling us to sell right there, me as Xtreme trader, a person who really prefers to find the most precise entries, I would like to actually make it upper to be right there. Now, why right here? First of all, this is actually between 23.6 and 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. However, this was the highest level of a real resistance, which was, of course, taking place here. However, this was, of course, the nearest level of a support to that bearish breakout candle. And I believe that most likely the market will continue the rise till it reaches the nearest support to the bearish breakout candle, and then it will start the reversal. So most likely the market is indeed going to reverse exactly at 38.2, but I believe that we can expect a wick right here, or eventually a pin bar. So if we sell at the top of the pin bar, that's gonna bring a great entry for everybody. So therefore, let's wait for the market to rise to another 31 pips before we decide to shorting it. Take profit level can be placed just right there at the lowest level of a real support at 1.257, expecting approximately, let's say approximately 80 pips profit from this signal, and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than the peak of the resistance at 1.270, ranging for about 45 pips. Alright, let's now move to the AUDUSD, which unfortunately also hasn't been triggered, but as you can see, it's really close to the take profit level. So at least it's a score for extreme trader that the signal at least has went in the right direction. However, what's next with this pair? Let me make things very fast for you. Based on the daily chart, as you can see right now, my friends, we are facing right here a real level of a support. And as you can see right there, this was the real level of a support, and in the middle we had one fake breakout. So therefore, I'm expecting from the market to make a pullback after retesting the real level of a support. However, most likely we can sell the AUDUSD again exactly at, let me just show it to you, at this level of a broken support. Why? For a single reason. Of course, first of all, for a starter, if we check the Fibonacci retracement, that is almost Fibonacci 50. So the market has actually made a bearish breakout from 61.8, which means the bearish momentum is so strong, and most likely it will retest at Fibonacci 50. However, we can see that this is actually the nearest level of a resistance to that bearish breakout candle, and also this right here, the nearest level of a support to that bearish breakout candle. So again, it's very similar scenario with the pound USD. The Fibonacci level lies exactly right here, but my entry will be a little bit higher to be at the previous level of a support, as we can see right here, again, to have a precise entry. So actually that's going to be a lot. We have to wait for the pair to rise to another 30 pips before we can start shorting it. However, the take profit level will be right now right here at the bottom of the support at 0.644, expecting approximately 81 pips profit from this signal. And the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the previous level of a resistance right here at 0.655, ranging for about 27 pips only. I hope it will be a good signal, and hopefully it will be profitable to everybody. Now moving to the USDCAD. As you can see, USDCAD, guys, has hit already the take profit level, but unfortunately the signal hasn't been triggered. It has reversed just like 10 pips far away from the entry. I'm not sure if we can take the credit of this signal, but I can take like 80% of the credit, I think, because the market has reversed just 10 pips far away from the entry. Anyway, this signal hasn't been triggered, and I think no one has made any money with it. So let's now move to the, we will still with the USDCAD, but let's now see what we can do next with this pair. Now, if we are right here at the daily chart and we squeeze the chart to be like that, now we can see right here that we had, of course, a broken triangle. Check this out. So indeed, the USDCAD has indeed abandoned this channel of a triangle, and as we can see right now, we are having here the bullish breakout from this level. So meaning the USDCAD most likely is going to continue the rise. Now the question is where exactly? The answer is really simple. Always when you see the bullish breakout candle, always highlight the nearest level of a support to that bullish breakout candle, and always consider to buy the asset exactly at the same level of a support. So therefore, let me just make it like that. Now as we can see, I don't think we can trade the USDCAD by today. Most likely by tomorrow. It will make actually a retest of the level and falls to another 32 pips. I believe buying at this level of a previous support will be actually a perfect idea. And right here also we can see a retesting of the broken level of a resistance. So therefore, buying the USDCAD exactly at this level, targeting, of course, the nearest level of a key support to our entry at 1.365, expecting approximately 100 pips profit from this signal. And the safe zone that, let me just go to the 4-hour time frame. Yes, based on the 4-hour time frame, let me just be sure, we cannot give random safe zones, I mean. The safe zone shouldn't be ranging lower than the previous level of a key resistance right there at 1.349, ranging for about 54 pips. Actually, we need to make it like that. Yeah, that's actually going to be better. Let me just be sure. Yes, the safe zone is going to be ranging for 44 pips against 100 pips of profits. Moving now to the USDCHF, because I'm going to ignore the USDJPY. Again, the market is just still ranging on this resistance level. We're eagerly waiting for the bullish, neither the, or actually the bearish or the bullish breakout. We are just waiting for them to happen. Until now, nothing happened, and the market is just moving sideways. So therefore, let's just ignore this pair as usual, and let's just jump to the USDCHF, which was really a perfect and it was really a perfect and fantastic signal. Come on, guys, please, for this signal, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly share the video. I'm really proud of this signal. It was so good, and I think the entry was really good, even though the price action was not so promising. But again, it's running in 25 pips of profit, which was really great. However, for the USDCHF, we are going to keep the same signal for the remaining days of this week. We are still seeing here consolidation happening actually at this level of a support, and right now the market is actually ranging after reversing from that level of a resistance trend line. So therefore, USDCHF signal just remains the same. However, I have to inform you that you can expect a drawdown in the upcoming hours. Let me just show you exactly just like that. So therefore, our drawdown might actually be ranging till the lowest level of a support right here at 0.87691. That's, in my opinion, going to be the lowest level where the pair might go against us, since we are actually having here a channel, and right here the key support level, and then the USDCHF might continue the rise. So therefore, please be careful and wise when you are trading this signal. And now, let's move to the gold. All right, so gold signal yesterday was really fantastic. The gold signal has actually been activated yesterday, and it actually went in about 120 pips of profit. However, right now what's happening is that the gold is falling back, and right now this signal might not be valid anymore, because the market right now is reversing and has actually made, you know something, guys, I need to delete the old signal, but just to highlight that the gold signal was activated and went in total of almost 120 pips of profit. Now, what's next with the gold? It's important right now to change the gold signal. The current price action is not promising at all for the buyers. And if we look right here at the daily chart, we can see clearly that the market has indeed respected that level of a resistance trend line. However, we do have right here, of course, a triangle, and the pair seems like it's actually going to be ranging in that triangle. And now, if I'm not mistaken, we have actually witnessed a bearish reversal from the resistance trend line right here. So therefore, I would actually highly advise to sell the gold, only because of this technical analysis, and most likely the gold will continue to fall at least to reach the real level of a support right here at 2005.32. Now, moving to the 4-hour time frame, we have to highlight, of course, the real level of a resistance, and we will actually ask the help of Fibonacci retracement to find the best levels to start selling. So as you can see right now, we cannot really find much, because right now the pair is actually on 23.6. So therefore, using Fibonacci level might not actually be the answer every single time when you are trading. There are some times that you have to rely on the resistance and support trend lines. And actually, that's answering the question I'm receiving sometimes on my channel, that why can't you just use Fibonacci in every analysis that you are posting on your channel? And that is exactly the answer, because right now Fibonacci is just telling us that there is a bullish reversal might occur right now, but where exactly is the next movement? However, here comes your skills with the reading of the market. Right there, exactly. We can see right here a real level of a resistance, let me just be precise, exactly at 2030.44. So this was the real level of a support, which was also a real level of a resistance. Number 1, 2, 3, and 4. It was also the real level of a support, and in the middle we had here one fake breakout. However, it was also the real level of a support, as we can see right here. So therefore, this level 2030.44 cannot be simply ignored. We can actually sell the gold after it make a pullback to another 50 pips. Hopefully it will be retesting the broken level of a resistance, and also add to that we are having here, of course, a broken level of a support trend line. So the pair might actually be retesting the broken level of a support trend line to create, of course, a new resistance trend line. However, targeting, of course, 250 pips and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than the peak of the resistance right there at 2042.66, ranging for about 121 pips against 250 pips of profit. And that's everything, my friends, for the midweek analysis. Again, I hope it will be a very good week and very profitable to everybody. And in the end, guys, again, be careful and wise, and remember, no matter how the results goes, you are responsible for your funds. You are responsible for how much you invest in each signal. Just because it's coming from Xtreme Trader doesn't mean at all that it will be 100% profitable. Always consider that any signal that you are taking from the internet might actually fail, and for that you have to be always careful about your funds. So in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.